Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back from my hiatus. Woo, yes, I know it's been a long time coming. I filmed this tutorial for you guys and it's looking a little creasy, but it happens to the best of us, you know? So let's just jump right into it. So first I start off by priming. I'm using the LA Girl concealer in Creamy Beige. This is like the best concealer that I've used to prime so far, and I just tap that in with my fingers, making sure it's distributed evenly as well. Next, I'm just taking Dollipop and I'm going to focus that more on the inner socket little region, but just winging it out as a transition shade for the purple. I really wanted this look to be a transition from pink to purple, so just make sure, again, to focus it on the inner socket. Next, I'm taking 2AM and I'm focusing this more on the outer V first and then blending it upwards. That way you get a cute, nice little gradient. Just keep blending and blending. Blending is key. Right here I'm just adding more pink so I don't lose that pigment. Again, I really just want this to be concentrated pink to concentrated purple. Here I'm just cutting the crease. Usually I use the Creamy Beige base to cut my crease. This time I mixed it with Kat Von D's Whiteout Concealer and I think that's why I got so creasy. But make sure to just take your time, use any brush that fits best for your technique that you use, and make sure to be as precise as possible. I also just like to use my finger really quick to tap in the product, make sure it's distributed evenly, and then I like to just define more and more so it's super crisp. Now I'm just going in with Sugarpill's Tako white eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply this very precisely and carefully on just the first inner half of my eyelid. Now on the outer part, I'm going to take Poison Plum and 2AM mixed together and then just start with the darkest part of that gradient that we're going to create. And then just adding Dollipop just to make sure that it blends even more with the white. And then just keep blending until your hand falls off. I know that sounds like it'd be on an Ipsy bag, but honestly, you just gotta do it. Now with the wet synthetic brush, I'm taking the Lumi loose pigment from Sugarpill and I'm just patting that on top of the white shade, just really gently and precisely. So I'm horrible and I didn't check if my camera was recording. I just added the pink to the lower lid and then Queen of Hearts glitter by Lit Cosmetics along with House of Lashes Iconic Lashes. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and give it a like, all that YouTuber stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!